Hi everyone, today we're going to continue learning about nested loops. We're going to look at a similar program to the star program from last lesson and another program. So here we go. So over here you can see another program. At the top has so today we continue learning about nested loops. If you remember, a nested loop is basically a loop inside a loop. So over here we're going to be doing two programs together. So let's start with program 1. Step back and maintain. So in program 1, for I in range 1 to 5, obviously the value of I is right now 1 and 5 won't be counted in the output. Then for j in range I, so currently j's value is 1, 2. And then I'm printing I comma end, then empty space, and then I'm printing a new line. So then I run this. You might recall the star program we talked about last lesson. So over there it was star, 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 and so on. I just hit 1 to 5 and output. That's why it's only gone to 4. I can just make it bigger, like the value bigger. So sorry about that. I'll make it 11 so that we have it 10 times. Now when I run it, you can see it's giving 10, 10, 10. So basically, this is quite similar to the same program. You can see it in more details. So 1 is only once, then 2 is printed twice, 3 is printed thrice, and so on until 10. And 10 is printed obviously 10 times, which we can talk about. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then printed 1 twice, and then 10 times. And if you remember, we can just go through this again. So I comma end, so if I take this end away, then it's just I, and well, this gets kind of long now. You can just make this output screen bigger. So it's 1, then a new line, then 2, and then 2 and another new line, then 3, then there's a new line after that, there's 3, 3, 3 in 3 different lines, and so on until 10. So just bring this down. Right. So I'll just hide it. So that's why we quite need the end, and like if you want to put it in like column like, or if you want to put it like in that pyramid structure like this one, pyramid structure, then you need the end over there so that it puts a space in between, so these spaces over here, so that it puts those spaces in between. That's basically why you need the end, and you probably remember why we need the print. If I take it away, there will be no new line, so it'll all be like this. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, so on. So that's why we need that print statement. Now we can move on to the next program. So I'll just comment this, and okay, so I'll just take that and move it up here. Right. Now that program is commented, and I'll just uncomment this program. So this program is based on names. Lucy, Miranda, and Anvita. So Lucy, Miranda, and Anvita is up. So we can see how it happens. So for names, the S name is the name of this list with the names in it, and then name is by default set to Lucy to begin with because it's the first name in the list. remember while loops are based on true and false. So while count is smaller than 5, which it is right now, so this is true. Print name, so it printed Lucy. Then it said count is equal to count plus 1, so that's 0 because currently the value of count is 0, so 0 plus 1. Then it prints a new line, and then so basically it goes here. So now it's 0 plus 1, and now the value of count is 1. Now it goes back to the while loop. Now count is still smaller than 5 because it's 1 smaller than 5. So again it's true. Then it prints Lucy again. And then it keeps going like that until it's smaller than 5. And it's not, so basically it's saying Lucy 5 times. So that's basically how we do Lucy. After that we've got Miranda. So now if we back up here and check, now the value of is Miranda. So then count, and then it goes into the value again, and then it does the same with Miranda, and then